right here on the corner. Let's go see what they have to say about the Nazi flag. Shall we? Let's go see. Let's go see. Well, they got a Trump sticker on their truck. Hey, what's up with the Nazi flag?
Who are you?
Why do you have a
What's it
Nazi
to you?
flag?
Do you make the payments on this fucking house?
No, I don't.
Okay, don't fucking worry about it.
Why do you have a Nazi flag up?
What's it to you?
Because this is America, not Nazi Germany.
Well, don't worry about it. You get your ass in your car and get the hell out of here. Best thing I can tell you. I know you feel me. Fuck you.
Okay.
Where do you live? What kind of flag do you fly?
I fly a rainbow flag, thank you.
Okay, so what does that tell me about you?
That I'm not a Nazi?
I'm not a Nazi either. This is Nazi fucking America.
Is it?
You get your ass in your car and get the
Let me
fuck
ask
out
you
of my...
something.
Fuck you. Get your ass in your car and get the hell out of here.
Do you think that Trump, had something to do with all of this?
If you don't get the hell out of here,
Okay.
me and you's gonna have trouble.
Okay.
I promise you that.
I'm sure we would. Okay.
Take your queer ass on, lesbian ass on, big fat fucking ass on, and go on, bitch.
You had a choice. All right. I'm going right now.